When it comes to style, Paris Hilton knows how to elevate the everyday, and her Paris Hilton French press coffee maker with heart-shaped scoop set is no exception. If you're a coffee or tea lover looking for the perfect mix of style, functionality, and charm, this chic coffee press will transform your morning brew into an iconic experience. From the pink and gold aesthetic to the high-quality design, this product is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a lifestyle statement. First impressions matter, and the Paris Hilton French press delivers in terms of design. This beautiful pink coffee maker is encased in a golden stainless steel frame with adorable heart accents, which matches perfectly with any pink kitchen decor. If you're someone who values both aesthetics and function, you'll love how this press looks just as good sitting on your countertop as it does brewing your favorite cup of coffee. But it's not just about looks. The borosilicate glass carafe ensures durability and heat retention, while the stay-cool handle makes it easy to pour without burning your hands. It's clear that this coffee maker was designed with usability in mind, allowing you to enjoy your coffee-making ritual in both style and comfort. Let's be honest, cleaning up after using a French press can sometimes be a hassle. This is where the Paris Hilton French press coffee maker truly shines. Equipped with a fine mesh, reusable stainless steel filter, it ensures that your coffee grounds stay contained, giving you a smooth, grit-free cup of coffee every time. But the real standout feature here is the grounds lifter design. With just one lift of the heart-shaped handle, the filter acts like a squeegee, sweeping away the grounds for an easy and mess-free cleanup. No more digging through wet, clumpy grounds, just a clean, efficient experience from start to finish. Brewing a perfect cup of coffee should never feel complicated, and the Paris Hilton French press makes it wonderfully simple. Whether you're a seasoned coffee enthusiast or a beginner looking to elevate your coffee game, the process is straightforward. 1. Add your coarse ground coffee or loose leaf tea using the heart-shaped measuring teaspoon. 2. Pour hot water into the press. We recommend checking out Paris Hilton's color-changing tea kettle for an even more stylish experience. 3. Let the coffee or tea brew for around 4 minutes. 4. Gently press the plunger down to separate the grounds from the liquid and serve your delicious brew. Thanks to the non-drip spout, you won't have to worry about spills. Each pour is smooth and controlled, ensuring that every drop of your coffee ends up in your cup and not on your counter. While this coffee press is perfect for making rich, bold coffee, it's also versatile enough for loose-leaf tea lovers. The fine mesh stainless steel filter works just as well for brewing tea, giving you clean, flavorful results without any stray leaves ending up in your cup. Whether you're serving up coffee at brunch or brewing tea at a music festival, this press has you covered. And speaking of versatility, the compact size and non-slip handle make it perfect for on-the-go adventures like glamping or outdoor brunches. It's durable, portable, and ready to join you on any outing. Looking for the perfect gift for someone who loves both coffee and glamour? The Paris Hilton French press coffee maker is a thoughtful and unique choice. With its 8-cup, 34-ounce capacity, it's large enough to brew for multiple people, making it ideal for gatherings or just spoiling yourself with a generous serving. Whether for a birthday, wedding, or housewarming, this coffee press is sure to impress. And with its pink and gold design, it's a great conversation starter that will leave a lasting impression. It's no surprise that Paris Hilton's kitchen collection includes more than just this stylish coffee press. From cookware sets to wine accessories, she's curated a range of products that bring both functionality and flair to your kitchen. And if you're someone who takes pride in both your coffee and your personal style, this press fits seamlessly into the world of boss babes and morning routines that are as glamorous as they are efficient. Final verdict? Should you buy the Paris Hilton French press coffee maker? If you're looking for a French press that offers both quality and style, the Paris Hilton French press coffee maker with heart-shaped scoop set is a must-have. It doesn't just brew amazing coffee, it elevates your entire coffee-making experience. The grounds lifter design makes cleanup effortless, and the overall look of the product brings a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Perfect for coffee or tea lovers, it's a versatile and practical tool wrapped in a beautiful pink and gold package. And with the non-drip spout and fine mesh filter, you can enjoy your favorite beverages with ease and no mess. Whether you're treating yourself or gifting it to a loved one, this coffee maker is sure to bring a touch of Paris-approved luxury into your daily routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.